Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. मैं हूँ देवयानी and I'm currently doing my masters in the UK. तो आज का वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है for all the students and especially international students who love to save money, who love student discounts. So I'm going to share the best websites for student discounts in the UK right now. So मैंने ये सब websites use किए हैं and I have saved up to 5, 10, even up to 50% discounts on some brands. So I'm going to take you through everything. So before we begin, I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. मैं बहुत सारे videos बनाती हूँ about studying in the UK, part-time jobs, about education and all that you need to know in a lot of detail. And 5,000 subscribers has my dream since a very long time. So please subscribe and let's get into this. So to activate and use these websites, you need एक university email ID. So जब आप UK में आओगे, so before your course begins, you will have your official email ID. तो यहाँ पे मेरा email ID है devyani@kcl.ac.uk because I'm from King's College London. मेरा KCL है. आपका अलग हो सकता है, आपका QMUL@ हो सकता है or whatever. So आपका एक official email ID आएगा. उसके बाद you can open your account using these websites. So the first website I'm going to talk about is called Unidays. So Unidays के लिए आपको लॉग इन करते वक्त you have to put in your university. So basically you make an account with Gmail, but वहाँ पे to activate the account आपको आपका यूनिवर्सिटी कंफर्मेशन देना पड़ता है, आपका एक ऑफिशियल ईमेल आईडी डालना पड़ता है. ओनली देन यू कैन अवेल दीज डिस्काउंट्स. सो लेट अस गो थ्रू द वेबसाइट. So I'm just going to show you कैसे होता है, what the UI UX like. For example, आपको My Protein, like if you are into gymming, you get up to 70% off on a flash sale. So it keeps on changing. So every time according to whatever offers are going on, you can see so many things. So यहाँ पे My Tutor से यहाँ पे limited offer only के लिए नए options आए. So Levi's है, Samsung है, you can get Nike, like all such good brands like Boohoo, pay 50% off plus 50 plus 15. So like आपको जब शॉपिंग करना हो ना, तो यू कैन सी बाय एन iPad गेट अ गिफ्ट कार्ड. सो यू जस्ट गो देयर एंड देन यहाँ पे यू कैन गेट मोर, बाय अ मैक फॉर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड गेट अ गिफ्ट कार्ड. सो व्हाट इज अ गिफ्ट कार्ड, उसमें कितना वैल्यू रहता है, ऑल ऑफ दैट यू कैन सी हर. सो अगर आप बाहर खाने जा रहे हो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो यहाँ पे डिलीवरू इज द ऐप, वहाँ पे यू कैन गेट 10% ऑफ विच इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग ऑन 15 pounds. In like small things, no, you can save a lot of money. So I'm just gonna take you through the website a bit more. HelloFresh पे 15% ऑफ, लाइक Domino's, लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शन. लेट्स सी ये फैशन में क्या आता है. सो फैशन में एंड समर्स है, Ray-Ban, अगेन नाइकी हमने जो देखा था, फुट लॉकर फिर शूज़ एंड ऐसे लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स. लाइक ASOS में से मैं बहुत शॉपिंग करती हूँ. Boohoo इज़ अ रियली नाइस वेबसाइट. Pretty Little Thing इज़ नाइस. सो ऐसे सब लड़कों के लिए भी बहुत ऑप्शन है. लेट्स गो फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी. सो इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ न्यू लैपटॉप, तो यहाँ पे सैमसंग, मैक का क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है. सो दिस इज दैट. देन इन ब्यूटी ऑल्सो देयर इज, इतने कैटेगरीज भी है. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू बाय लाइक प्रीमियम स्किन केयर, तो दीज ब्रांड्स आर कमिंग अप. सो इससे सब है. लाइक इन फिटनेस ऑल्सो, लाइक सप्लीमेंट्स, आई केयर, लाइफ स्टाइल. सो दिस इज दैट. सो दिस इज अ रियली गुड वेबसाइट. सो द नेक्स्ट वेबसाइट आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इज कॉल्ड studentbeans.com. तो ये भी ये वेबसाइट के लिए भी यू नीड टू हैव लाइक अ यूनिवर्सिटी ईमेल आईडी. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे देखो, यू हैव फ्री Amazon Prime for 6 months विच इज़ सो अमेजिंग. देन 35% ऑफ ऑन Domino's पिज़्ज़ा. सो समटाइम्स ऐसे हो सकता है कि सम ब्रांड्स आर क्लैशिंग. लाइक ऐसे हो सकता है कि Boohoo का 50% है, यहाँ पे भी 50% है, बट समटाइम्स यू विल फाइंड डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स. सो यहाँ पे ऑल्सो यू कैन सी लाइक यू हैव व्यू आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से दैट, व्यू सिनेमा. यहाँ पे यू गेट 40% ऑफ cinema tickets. Then you have McDonald's. There are so many brands. So like लंडन आए, आपको अगर लंडन आए देखना, तो यहाँ पे 16 pounds से टिकट्स मिल रहा है, विच इज अगेन अ वेरी गुड डील. देन यू गेट फ्री Amazon Prime for 6 months यूजिंग दिस. सो स्टूडेंट बी से अगर आप देख रहे हो, तो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक बेटर, और नॉट बेटर बट सिमिलर, बट इवन मोर ऑप्शंस देन Unidays राइट नाउ. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि वन इज बेटर एंड वन इज नॉट. यू कैन चेक बोथ. यू कैन ऑब्वियसली रजिस्टर विद बोथ. सो लेट अस सी यहाँ पे और क्या क्या है. व्हाट इज टॉप 20 हियर, लेट्स सी दैट. So you have again ASOS, Pretty Little, Boohoo, वो तो है ही है. So यहाँ पे देखो, if you see like there is 50% of everything, extra 10% student discount. पहले था 15% on app. So थोड़े थोड़े differences है. So then Prime हुआ, Super Drug है यहाँ पे. So that is like हमारा like pharmacy store basically. तो आपको कोई medicines लेना हो तो that is also a good option. So then let us see what it is. Fashion, tech, mobile देखते हैं. So यहाँ पे also you have get a gift card plus 20% off Apple Care. So this has a better deal than Unidays right now. So you can just scroll through the website. So before you make any purchase online या कोई store में, just make sure that you look at these websites and you can avail some discounts. So the next website I'm going to talk about is Totem. Okay, so Totem is not just like a website जहाँ पे discounts है, but they also have like a subscription card. So यहाँ पे I'm going to show you. So there are two other options here as well. So one is Totem plus Age ID card and then the normal one जिसमें यहाँ पे recommend करते हैं. तो why is this recommended? And I'll just tell you what is the difference between an Age ID card and without. So basically Age ID card होता है कि when you're going out for a party for example, तो आपको आपका BRP या passport लेने में डर लगता है because you know it can be damn scary to carry these cards. So instead like opt for this option. तो इसमें क्या है कि so यहाँ पे पूरा proper verification checks होते हैं and you cannot get your age card without like sending the proper documents. So this is also considered like an official card जो आप parties में ले जा सकते हो to enter clubs and things like that. So मतलब even though this is lost, आपका कुछ important नहीं जा रहा because passport या BRP गया तो dead, like you don't take that risk. So this is an option which you get free with your Totem card. So Totem card क्या रहता है? So if you see this, so these are the benefits. So with this card you can take it to any store. So यहाँ पे like for example Co-op is like a Tesco या Sainsbury which is a grocery store. Boots which is like a pharmacy again like Superdry. तो यहाँ पे you get even more discounts. So online discounts है ही, but with your Totem card you get even more discounts. So आपको like 300 plus student discounts and all of this is like included in the Totem card. So मतलब even though it's like a small investment of like अगर आप one year का हाँ, so it's like 1400 for 1 year, पर वो तो ऐसे आप रिकवर कर लोगे because you get so many discounts and ऐसे 99 pence भी सेव किया, 1 pound सेव किया, और अगर आपने 15 बार शॉपिंग किया तो आपको तो ऐसे ही you will recover that amount. So let us look at what all offers they have on the Totem website. So here you can see even different brands. So this Brew Dog was not there, Funky Pigeon. So like these are all quirky websites I've never seen. So यहाँ पे you get, oh this is like a cards wala thing, so that's pretty interesting. Then you have O2 का SIM cards. If you haven't seen my SIM card video, मैंने वो link किया है यहाँ. Then you have Samsung, there's Nasty Girl, even like Boohoo again, like they have 10% of everything. So बहुत अलग अलग options भी है. Like Google Store से आप ले सकते हो. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan, वहाँ पे 30% off है. Like to travel तो इसके अलग है. So Emirates का up to 150 pounds off. So that is such a good deal. तो ऐसे आप, that's also there. So अगर National Express, if you're traveling intercity, like train line, if you're getting like a rail card, उसमें भी discount. Like there are so many options right here. Okay जी, ये तो हमने देख लिया. Let's see what is more. So let's see supermarkets because grocery buying is so important for us. So यहाँ पे देखो Co-op पे discount है, LSA International में है, then Virgin Wines. So you know यहाँ पे I can't see Sainsbury or Tesco, but यहाँ पे if you have Co-op near you, then that is like 10% off is really great na every time while buying groceries. So that is also a good option. So the next website I'm going to talk about is not just for deals, but also have a lot of hacks like saving money, getting part-time jobs, managing finances. So इसमें सब है. तो अगर आप देखोगे कि here you have an option called deals. तो deals में there is like, okay, you get Apple up to 280 off and up to 120 pound का gift card. So that is like wow, like 120 pounds का gift card is such a good deal. तो यहाँ पे you know there are a lot of free things also, like you have 25% off. यहाँ पे you can like free this thing like free drink you can have. So ऐसे बहुत free options है which you can register. So if you like go here for example, these drinks, okay, so earn cashback. So you have to download a few apps. So ऐसे कुछ करके there are some money earning apps also, and this is very legit. Okay, not that कि कुछ भी डाल रहे. So this is all legit. So you can just go through like 1 pound cornetto अगर आपको चाहिए. So you just go here and then Unilever के website पे you are guided and then see कि आप कैसे इसको avail कर सकते हो. So you just claim the coupon and then just say next, and then you just get Tesco pay. So like whatever, there are so many options. Not just that, like if you go to finance here, so you can see like financing options क्या है. So like you can see how you can manage loans and बहुत blog articles भी है. If you go to make money, all okay. So यहाँ पे best paid online survey sites. So you can get a lot of information about a lot of things. If you see jobs, यहाँ पे you can see part-time jobs, graduate jobs. So if you go to part-time jobs also, you can get like, for example, London, and you can see a lot of options. मैं इतना detail में नहीं बोलूँगी, you can check it out, but this is basically like the discounts part I'm gonna touch upon more. So इसमें see, as you can see here, like a lot of discounts ऐसे ही है, you just scroll forever and you can see like multiple discounts which are available in the market right now. So going to the next website, which is, and the final one, which is called Student Money Saver. So this is also like very similar to the earlier ones. This is also like a deals wala website. So यहाँ पे 7.35 pounds cashback on a 16 to 35 rail card. Then Boohoo ka discount, and there is Ray-Bans and some other brands as well. So Heyu ka 7 days free trial. So this is also very interesting. तो आप वो भी देख सकते हो, because like if you were like to see things like The Bachelorette or things like that. So यहाँ पे बॉडी शॉप पे up to 50% off, which is like a great deal. Then क्या क्या है, Acer स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट्स. बाकी हमने देखा कि सैमसंग, एप्पल, ये सब देखा, पर Acer का भी इसमें है. So what else, Ray-Ban तो पहले भी देखा था हमने, बेस्ट प्राइस फॉर ग्रोसरीज. Then let's see Uni Essentials. So what are the Uni Essentials? Even I don't know. Okay, so you get Love to Shop voucher, you're getting Amazon Prime discount, again very important for all of us. Save on textbooks, but who uses textbooks these days? It's all the laptop that we need. Then Amazon cashbacks, IKEA. So these are the options you have. So travel bhi hai, finance and utilities, student finance. So they have a lot of information as well. Like if you want to, like for example, party, तो party के लिए क्या क्या लगता है. So you know, I can see like party डाला तो भी like a lot of things are very similar. But I think this is like the least popular website among all of them. But do check it out, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next week. Bye.